Right, I'm hoping I can position this enough for you to see what I'm doing. I've fixed on this rope instead of having the string. I don't want it dangling from there. It's got to look more natural. I've added some moss onto the boat and a little life belt. That's going to sit there. I've put the oars here. They're just drying. Fasten that one down. And now what I'm doing is I'm just filling in the moss around the rockery and things like that. And I just take little bits at a time. Pop on a little bit of glue. And just pop on where I want it to be. And you can fill in all little areas that you want. I've had this moss since I went to Norway. And it was a big bag. And I just keep taking little bits here and there from it. Don't worry about the strands and that. We can sort all them out. I'm just going to pop in a little bit more here. Because this is going to be a nice area full of moss. And we just pop that in, and if I haven't got enough, take a little bit more and we just pop that on. Push that in and that makes it more natural. Yeah, I'm liking this a lot, I have to say. So, just going to take some more moss out that I play around with. You just need bits and pieces. It's a great way to fill a gap. Like that. And of course I've got shells and starfish that I can put in. I am changing this into water. Let me just get these starfish out. Have different sized, but you know, you use what you can. Some break up. Now if you've got a broken one like that, that's easy. Easy. You pop a bit of glue on it and you just slot it in somewhere like that, and nobody will know that it hasn't got another leg on it unless you've watched me put it in like that. So and we'll just have one leaning up against the boat. Like that. Why not? That'll dry. And then of course I'm going to put one. I was going to put a window box up here, but I'm not going to. So I think what I'm going to do is just to keep adding some shells and bits and pieces. I'm going to sit one here. Like that. Up against there. And I can put little bits shelled around that. After all, it is a shack that will have, you know, I'm going to make a boy thing out of beads to stand there, to hang from there. And you just put what you'd have at a beach. What would you have? All kinds. I've coloured in the boat and everything. I've put in the little seat and I've put this little bit in the front as well. Now I'm not pinning that down until the rest of it's dried. I'm just going to fill some more mossy areas. Like in there. I totally want it so that, you know, there's quite a bit going around. I like it built up like that with mossy bits. I'm even going to put a little bit of moss in there. Like it's crawling up the rockery. See, it looks good, doesn't it? Where else do we want a starfish? Well, I'm going to have one going on the beach, so I'll have that little one that'll be on the beach like that when that's done. So I'm just going to put that here for now. I do want one more at least. Let's have a look. Well, we'll have one up there, I think. Like that. And then we'll pop some shells around. Oh, bloody thread stuff gets everywhere. It gets everywhere. I hate it. This glue gun's really bad for it, actually, compared to my other one. But hey. Hey. So I'm just going to move that out of the way. Cause, oops! I don't want to lose them. So they can go in there. I'll get the small shells out after. I'm going to do some more moss. You only need small amounts. I'll put that there. And they look really good. I like that looks bushy. Usually like that. I think we'll have a little bit sat there. Oh, stuck to my bloody finger. There we go. No! Oh God. It's not quite dried yet. I don't just have them over there. No, I'm not going to have them there. I'm going to have them here, I think. Leaning up against the boat, because that's where they're supposed to be. Lean it there. That'll do. That'll do like that. It'll dry. It's in the soft glue there. Right. I'll pop some more in there. Like that. So I'm going to leave it there and finish off the moss area, and then I'm going to put some more seashells in and things like that, and I'll be back when that's finished, because I need this to dry. See you later.